Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Snap Pixel for affiliate tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Snap Pixel for affiliate tracking, start by logging into your Snapchat Ads Manager account. Once logged in, navigate to the Tools section located on the left-hand menu. From there, select Snap Pixel to access the Pixel Management area. If you haven't created a Snap Pixel yet, click on the Create Snap Pixel button. Fill in the required details, such as the name and the website URL where the pixel will be used. After submitting the information, you will receive a pixel code snippet. Copy the pixel code provided on the screen. Now, head over to the website where you want the pixel to be installed. Depending on your website platform, locate the area to add custom scripts, typically in the header section. Paste the Snap Pixel code into the designated area. Ensure you save the changes made to your website. Next, return to the Snap Pixel settings in Ads Manager. You will see options to verify the pixel installation. Click on Test Pixel to ensure it is firing correctly. Enter your website URL and follow the prompts to check the setup. Once verified, navigate back to the Snap Pixel dashboard. Here, you can create custom events to track specific actions, such as purchases or signups. To create an event, click on Create Custom Event and follow the setup process. Define the parameters for the event, including the label and type of action. After setting up the event, save your changes. Lastly, monitor the performance of your Snap Pixel through the dashboard. Review the data regularly to optimize your affiliate tracking strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.